AP question for Chapter 16. A department supervisor is considering purchasing one of the two comparable photocopy machines, A or B. Machine A costs $10,000 and machine B costs $10,500. This department replaces photocopy machines every 3 years. The repair contract for machine A costs $50 per month and covers an unlimited number of repairs. The repair contract for machine B costs $200 per repair. Based on the past performance, the distribution of the numbers of repairs needed over any 1 year period for machine B is shown below. You are asked to give a recommendation based on overall cost as to which machine A or B, along with its repairs contract, should be purchased. What would your recommendation be? Give a statistical justification to support your recommendation. Okay, first you need to find the total cost for 3 years for each machine. So for machine A, you would find that out by the whole cost of the machine, which is $10,000. And you would want to add that to, it says that its cost is $50 per month and covers unlimited repairs for 3 years. So then you just take 3 times 12, which equals 36. So you do the 36, and then you multiply that by the cost of repairing them, and you end up with $11,800. So that's the total cost for A. Okay, so now we need to find the total cost for 3 years for machine B. And the way they do it is that they give you the distribution in this chart down here. So what you want to do is you want to find the expected numbers of repairs for 3 years first. So using our formula, since you want to find it in 3 years, you have to multiply the whole thing by 3. So then you take each of the values and put it into the equation. What it looks like once all the values are plugged in, I got these values each from B, so this would go to this would go to this, and so forth. And that's how you would find expected numbers. And then with that, you get 3 times 0.85, which gives you 2.55. And then after that, you have to multiply the expected number times the cost times the value you have here. So then that would be, so you're still doing it out of 3 years, so you do the 3 times the cost, So next I have to multiply it by the cost of repairs for the machine, so for machine B, which is 200. And then when we got, before when I wrote it down, and we got 0.85 for all the expected of these. So you're going to do 8 times it by 8.5, which gives you 510. So that is the expected cost of repairs in 3 years. Okay. So to find the total cost of 3 years for machine B, you take just the cost of the machine, which is $10,500, and you add it to the expected cost of repairs in 3 years that we just got, which is 510. And the expected total cost for machine B is $11,010. So now we have to say which one would be a better contract if we purchased it. So for the total cost of A, we calculated it to be $11,800, and then for B, it was $11,010. In this situation, we would obviously want the lower price, so the correct answer is B, and we choose B because it has a lower expected cost.